how to make a Minecraft pool.
Hole.
Just tap to add water.
I'm making a Minecraft pool.
Make it the size you want.
Now go back to these ones. Last ones. And then drop that.
Add oak planks. Construction.
There are planks. Make your space. We get the oak planks. Also, pressing it in the gaps. Just like that. Pressing this up. Pressing this up. And then another.
Time to do the floor.
Never have that. Break one block down. Get the oak planks.
Dig. Place.
So it's just noisy out there. Neighbor is mowing the lawn. Hey, can you be quiet? Trying to film a video. Are you kidding? I know they're so annoying.
Hey bro.
Go ahead. It's more. Place something like this.